Hello everyone! Thank you for joining me in the Allan Block workshop to learn about our AB Metro Patio design application. What I'm going to show you in this video will be how to use the tools in the top toolbar and that it offers an easy way to arrange and lay out multiple designs, and then how to submit it to our design center so you can receive a professional design package. To get started, let's switch to my screen. What you are seeing is the main screen of the design app. At the top is the menu I'm going to show you. I will start on the left side and show how each option works to help create, modify, or save your design. The first thing you'll see is this large X, which is used to minimize the menu below to add more space to your screen. You can turn the menu back on by clicking on the hamburger icon. The X, Y, R text boxes identify the insertion point where the elements will be placed on the screen. By clicking on the grid below, the numbers or coordinates will be updated to that new location. You can also simply edit them manually. Each time you add an element, it will be inserted to that location. Moving elements is simple and requires no buttons. Just hover over the element, hold down the left mouse click, then move the element to a new location and release. The System Unit button simply changes the units from English to metric and vice versa. The Rotate button is a toggle button that is on or off. Turn it on by clicking the button, then double-clicking on an element to activate the Rotate control. You will see a small box or grip appears. Select this to rotate the element. When finished rotating, click the element once to hide the grip and click the button above to turn off this control. The next button is the Mirror button. This is also a toggle on and off button. When this is turned on, you can double-click on an element and the element will mirror itself. This only works for elements that are not symmetrical. Again, when finished, toggle the button off. The Delete button is also a toggle on and off button. When on, you can double-click on any element and it will be removed from the layout below. Toggle off when done. The Save button takes your design and creates a web page link that is saved within your Downloads folder on your computer. This is a simple shortcut to your design in the tool, and the file can be moved or emailed as needed. To reopen your design, just click on the link. The Publish button prepares your project for the Allan Block Design Center. This will bring up another screen to ask for your email address, zip or postal code, country, color of blocks preferred in the design, and if you would like a 3D model included. Click the Free Design Packet button when finished and the professional design package will be emailed to you. At this point, the Design Center will prepare an email with attached PDF documents. The first document starts with a title page, plan view, isometric drawings, and estimate. You will also have attachments for each of the elements in your design. Your 3D model will be emailed to you by the end of the next business day. This email attachment will include a JPEG image and a SketchUp model that can be used in their free web-based application or in their pro versions of SketchUp. The Help button is a great resource for finding that extra help and learning how to use this application. The last option of this top menu is the Designs control. This gives you the ability to have 9 different saved layouts all within one web page. Just click the numbered buttons to create or see each of your designs. You can see why the top menu allows you to be creative by rotating, removing, and saving so you can create the desired look easily. Let us help you bringing the inside outside for your customers. Happy building! Always better, always Allan Block.